Do you have Google Photos album that you would like to share on TikTok and don't know to easily share the video that Google Artificial Intelligence has created for you? Actually, it's pretty simple. There are several solutions to do it, and we will see how to turn a Google Photo album into a TikTok video. So the first option would be simply, once you have your nice album created, like this Sound and See album that has been automatically generated by Google Photos, one option is to record your screen and share the recording on TikTok, but it is long, you have to wait for it, you don't really have many options to change anything. So another option is to actually go in your album, go on the first picture of the album that has been generated for you, and find the share button at the bottom. Here, select the share this photo option. Now you are able to select all the photos, all the pieces from the album that you want to share. So select all the ones you want, for example, every single picture, like it is the case for us now. Here we go, select them one after the other, this one, and this one, and this one. So we have 15 pictures in this album generated by Google Photos. And once you have selected all your photos, at the bottom, find the Share to App option and click on More. And now, depending if the pictures have been downloaded on your device or not, it might take some time depending on the photo size and speed of your connection. We will find here the TikTok sharing option. Now simply select TikTok, and TikTok will automatically create a video for you from these options. Oops, that's not the sharing option I wanted, so let's go again and select TikTok. Here we go. Now TikTok will automatically generate a video from the list of pictures that we sent it. So you can also switch to video mode if you want to create a video instead of a photo album. So this is your choice. You can be either a photo album on TikTok or a video. Then select where you want to share it, for example on your story. Click on next. Of course, you can edit everything and select the cover. If you want another cover, you can select one from the video, or you can just select the first one. You can also add text and everything. For example, this card we don't want to change, but the cover was good, but we want to add some nice text. For example, this, and the text is Sound and See. Sound and See. Put it wherever you like. For example, here in the corner. Up, and save it. Very simple. You can then, of course, use all the options available on TikTok. We should have a description already. No, we don't. So, for example, Sound and See memories from around the world. So in this photo album, we had Thailand, we had South Korea, we had Poland, we had Tahiti, we had Ukraine. What else we had? We had Colombia, we had Dubai, and here we go. So let's put also a hashtag, for example, Google Photos, because it's coming from Google Photos. Hashtag photo album. Hashtag travel memories, and here we go. You can also tag people at locations, everything you like, and eventually share it. So here we go. We now have a video generated from our Google Photo album, and it is probably one of the easiest solutions. Then simply click on post, and your video will of course be posted on your profile. Simple and easy, and you can again share it wherever you like. So let us know in comment the nice photo album you created and where did you share them. And thank you for your attention, and good luck creating amazing Google videos from your Google Photo albums.